Next. Question says, three positive integers a, b, and c are not less than the smallest prime number. It means that a, b, and c are greater than 2. Correct. It is also known that ab plus bc is equal to 91. So we are given this expression ab plus bc is equal to 91. Also ac plus ab is equal to 51, and these are good numbers. 91, I know its factors are, or it can be written as a product of two numbers as 7 into 13, right? And 51 is 3 into 17. Now what can be the minimum value of this expression a plus 2b plus 3c? Correct. So from this first expression I can take this b common, right? And I can write b times a plus c is equal to 91. So precisely I have to write this 91 as a product of two numbers, right? Which are, if I use 1 and 91, right? So I have to assign value 1 to either b or a plus c, but a, b, or c cannot be less than 2. It is given, right? So I cannot use that 1 into 91. So the other product of two numbers is 91 is 7 into 13, right? So either first case is either b is 7 and a plus c is 13, or second case from here I can either take b as 13 or a plus c as 7. Correct. Now the second expression is ac plus ab is 51. Now if I take a common, I get c plus b, product of these two as 51. Here also I cannot use 1 and 51. Correct. So I have to factorize it into 3 into 17, right? So from here now let's just see these two cases. B is either 7 or b is 13. Correct. So in any case I cannot take value of b plus c as 3. Correct. So only one case, I'll get only one case from here, that is a has to mandatorily be equal to 3 and b plus c is equal to 17, because b plus c cannot be equal to 3 because b is either 7 or 13, right? So from these two cases, if I take the first case, b is 7 and a is 3, I get the value of c as 10. Correct. So from first case, a is 3, b is 7 and c is 10. This is the first case. Second case, I get a as 3, right? B is 13, c would be 4. So b is 13 and c would be 4. Now I have to find the value of a plus 2 times of b plus 3 times of c, right? So the value of a in first case would be 3 plus 2 into 7, right? Plus 3 into 10. I get this value as 30 plus 14 is 44 plus 3 is 47. Okay. In second case, a is 3, 2b would be 2 into 13 and 3c is 3 into 4. So I get 12 plus 26 is 38 and 3 is 41. Minimum of the two is 41. So correct answer to this question would be option D and not option A, right?